Accurate. You're rocking with a Major Lazer sound.
Listen, just call it accurate and done.
Major Lazer.
Ring the alarm. Another mixtape starting. Whoa. Ring the alarm. Kabaka alongside WalshyFire.
This is WalshyFire.
Miss Effie, shoot up your one if you no love reggae music. Shoot up your one if you no love dancehall. Hey, shoot up your one if you no love roots and culture. Me see some lighter so you know we can't stall. Kabaka Pyramid and Walshy the inna the place. The people them a dance, you see the sweat inna them face. Tell them police no bother step in a we space. If them come figure lock it off, hear me now. But if them come fi wind up on a woman, then rock and come in and I see the dancehall ram. And WalshyFire on the microphone and set the program. Him a the general, yes him a the sergeant. Him no swing from no vine like him name Tarzan. Him a no Hercules and him a no Spartan. Yet him have the whole crowd in a the palm my hand. From himself he should be tough, them a fi follow the pattern. Listen to me style, I beg you no listen to me slang. This is coming from the lyrical champion. Man a young general like my brother Junior Gang. Big up Ragamuffin, him a the Ruben Dan. Seckle Abishai and yes to win his stand strong. When Koro them a sing, everybody a sing along. So shove up your one if you no love reggae music. Shove up your one if you no love dancehall. Hey, shove up your one if you no love roots and culture. Major Lazer them a fi stand tall.
Ring the alarm.
WalshyFire and the fire well red. Listen what Major Lazer said. Dirty sound boy, them a fled. Accurate. WalshyFire never gonna be a slave to no sound system. Him kill jump and him no business. Never gonna be a slave to no sound system. Kabaka Pyramid attack, yeah. Listen to me slang, listen to me slang, listen to me slang when me drop in a me song. Listen to me slang, listen to me slang. Stick or WalshyFire, you a real number one. I me say listen to me slang, listen to me slang. Major Lazer a step in a wig young. I me say listen to me slang, listen to me slang. Kingston, Jamaica, where we come from. Hey, accurate, immaculate. I man could never do this alone. Most I walk with I and I. Help me most I to be faithful, never go hungry. You keep my plate full. I always give thanks, never been ungrateful and never hateful. Please me, I beg you for your strength to protect me from the ones who want to take every little sin from me. I remember when me never have a cent on me and them never did this, so me begging you for. Please no make the money get to me. The fear man, the honey's now go stray me from my destiny. Them a go tell me, say me have to do what's best for me. Still me think collectively, begging you for. Speak my topics intellectually. So many artists out there only know to do it sexually. Me nah go share my father and me nah neglect mommy. Hold my meditation and reflect on it. So help me King Selassie. If you know the real from the fake of them, the solid as I rock them different from the water vapor them. Enough of them want to see me meet the undertaker them. But with that clean I'm still a pray for them. Help me most high to be faithful, never go hungry. You keep my plate full. I always give thanks, never been ungrateful and never hateful. Please help me most high to be faithful, never go hungry. You keep my plate full. I always give thanks, never been ungrateful and never hateful. Please spot the snakes in the grass and the parasites. Modern day Judas, but them looking like the Nazarite. From your cash up, them a flash up like a camera light. Pocket getting fatter, so them catch up like a satellite. Quick for sell you out like the ticket and the box office. The night them stab you with longer than the line in the tax office. Some light a fire, then me quickly put the gas on it. For burn them hotter than a scotch on it. Please to stay up on the righteous path, cause my career life just start, but mine just pass quicker than a rifle blast. Every minute matter, so every syllable up in every lyric proper. Every metaphor and every simile I chop your last shot. BebbleRock top charts, never stop ya. This Koro Fyah, then you end up in a tragedy. A prayer for me family. Help me most high to be faithful, never go hungry. You keep my plate full. I always give thanks, never been ungrateful and never hateful. Please help me most high to be faithful, never go hungry. You keep my plate full. I always give thanks, never been ungrateful and never hateful. Please Pyramid, I want them. If them don't change them ways, then the fire I go blaze up. Ice enough man a run down candy. Said them want the licorice. Cherry ice cream. Said them want give it a lick. Them go pick Julie mango. Then them wait for make it ripe. Some eat it same time. We call them boy the pedophile.
WalshyFire, press clear.
Murder again.
Too much sweet no good for you, you know. Hear me and say no Walshy. Cause from where they see some people I eat something when not too good for them, you know. Yeah man, some inaccurate diet, you know. Skibbly bang. Kabaka Pyramid, I want them. If them don't change them ways, then the fire I go blaze up. Ice enough man a run down candy. Said them want the licorice. Cherry ice cream. Said them want give it a lick. Them go pick Julie mango. Then them wait for make it ripe. Some eat it same time. We call them boy the pedophile. Girls said them love it when them go the extra mile. Please overstand that this a no baby style. Too much sugar I go kill you. Turn you in a diabetic. Me just cut up some beetroot when me juice the lettuce. Hey, them say you are what you eat. Some man yam no fish. Matter of fact me stay far from the beach. Some man yam the octopus we par with the eels. Coulda sweet liquor more still not a part of my meal. Only sweet to my mouth I must be sweet talking. Any woman I say for eat me tell her keep walking. She say me heart stone cold like Steve Austin. Me laughing. This a tongue now spin like your rims. Give me the sea salt, me not just the iodine. Me dash with the acid and cut up the alkaline. The food nowadays we pass the borderline. So the organic market that's what me order mine. Okay. You don't have to worry about me now. This a Rasta man, name have a proper hygiene, yo. Skibbly bang, 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 bang. Accurate, immaculate.
WalshyFire.
Just really want it's a certain artist that has, you know, styles and that have voices and they say lyrics and words and they do it their way and it stands the test of time.
Alright then, listen to the words like Kabaka piece and take note of my style and pattern where me blend. Enough of them are hidden, enough of them are shadden. But me not breed them, cause I'm a lyrical anomaly. Scientists them want to study me in a laboratory. My spiritual anatomy, it mystical like ancient scriptures and mythology. Biblical analogy, BebbleRock, tougher than mineral geology. My spit and make demolish the rhythm with no apology. It's written in my policy, the pyramid philosophy. It's simply not misogynist, it balance like equilaterality, a socialist. Me solve the cases like a criminal psychologist. They set the chromosome like me's a genetic biologist. Sociologists, them want to know my role in all of this. And government a pre if me I go overthrow the parliament. Cause them a pose up like a ornament. All of them with argument, but them a take them orders from the corporate. Me sting them like a 40 leg. Self-sufficient now for beg a thing when we pop off for make police lock off them party them. I could a JLP, a PNP. Me not join political party, eh. I could a JLP, a PNP. Me not vote for no damn party, alright then. Yeah, listen to the words where Chronixx confessing. Take note of we style and pattern where we blend. Enough of them are hidden, enough of them are shadden. Skibbly bang.
Cause I'm a lyrical alien. Serious aim from no get me wrong. Not the XM radio where play me song. From a neighbor string cut in the cradle. All the nurses in the hospital ask my mother where you get your baby from. How him know so big? How him think so long? If I did nowadays them woulda post it on Instagram. I'm not the typical, I'm lyrical. My melodies them critical and spiritual. Not take me for no simpleton. Give me the rhythm, make me see them like a Capleton. No care how you build it, fruity loops I coulda Ableton. From me hear the bass prepare for hail me as the great baby James Jameson mix with a little me too. From round a studio one. All who a say we no lyrical make we prove you wrong. And you a say you a general. Please remove your damn self from out the presence of the original ruler than. Ooh, plus I went there me sell my gun. Flip the profit by a cooler one. Now fire shot for no pollution. Fight for your cause of a dream like Luther and Marcus and Malcolm. I show them the example of Emperor Makonnen. Queen Omega, Ethiopia is the true Zion. When we are sail go home, you think of Jamra cruising and the amount of singers, artists and top musicians sailing out of Babylon, destination motherland. Who's the owner of this ship? Him named Damien. Ask him if him have a little space for some aliens. Might know a shortcut through the Mediterranean. What's my name? Black Sirius Aryan. Chronixx, you are the baddest thing. I make it look so bad. So all your verses and your melodies and hooks are bad. Me read the books of God. So me's like Mozart and Fela Kuti in one mixed with a little tube sabab. So I never make a politician grant me no favor. Could a JLP or PMP me no cater. Kabaka and Walshy, where you find the mixtape? Yeah, it mash up the whole of Jamaica.
It gone international. People in Egypt said the pyramid have many sides, multilateral. And true me used to rock them track about me irrational. Born in Jamaica, that are the reggae music capital. Since me drop more knowledge with the theory or practical. If you can't manage, go and leave sabbatical. It's mathematical. If you add sizzle and Peter touch together, you get lyrical, radical, mystical and magical. What the sun little cannibal? Real human beings separated from the animals. Me find it kinda comical. The gimmicks and the parties have. Forget that it when I feel deep in the naughty bag. Don't fret because we there for the people. Every song we sing is like a prayer for the people. Just to stay away from evil. The lyrical anomaly alongside the alien they have to feed you.
You're rocking with the Major Lazer sound.
Accurate. Now, you understand, and I've always said it throughout the years that some of the greatest artists have to have the ability to produce music also.
Yeah, because we're not limited.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And we have a whole heap of ideas in our head.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that is how we can even shape the music the way we want to shape it, because we have an intelligence what we bring to the thing. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? So it's not just an artist where them have a management team. I tell them what to do.
Yeah.
I tell them what to dress. I tell them what to say.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we just bring everything where we study and see the elders them do before and kind of reshape it in our form.
Security! This is WalshyFire!
Major Lazer, when the one ya drop it, I go cause problem. WalshyFire, me said this a the anthem. When the reggae and the hip hop start mix up and a blend, it drop a New York and London a good again. When the one ya drop it, I go cause problem. Lyrics now go past pan them. Me spit in the spectacular lyrical, bringing back original. Styles of vile, them want arrest me as a criminal. Well, she go take you to the pinnacle, from analog to digital. Prescribe Panadol for pain to your physical. Require accuracy, accurate. The system is a bottleneck. Broke it like ejaculate, immaculate. Pull them up a cocoa like a patty bread. Fire burn the passing, them want attacking. Walshy them, GPS tracking them and trapping them. Chopping them to pieces like Reese's. Giving you my thesis, governmental speeches. None of them not teach me what peace means. Major Lazer fundamental needs is food, clothes and roof overhead, that's my shelter. If them not get it, WalshyFire, I go melt ya. In a meditative state, knowledge of self. Just to take my brain waves from the alpha to the delta. When the one ya drop it, I go cause problem. WalshyFire, me said this a the anthem. When the reggae and the hip hop start mix up and a blend, it drop a New York and London a good again. When the one ya drop it, I go cause problem. WalshyFire, me said this a the anthem. 2016, we a set a new trend. Accurate.
You are now listening to the hottest producer with the hottest beats on the net. Madness.
Accurate.
Worth dying for, worth killing for, worth going to hell for.
Walshy, turn up the beat. Me have something for speak. Remember govern the streets. Fire for burn up the beast. Them too stubborn to see it. Accurate. When me up in the street, accurate. Mixtape, stuck on repeat. Up in the beats, way up. So I'ma stay up like my feet. Up in the cleats. Up in the Jeep with a couple of cheese and we're puffing the steam. If I walk up in the beast, no trouble for me have something for give. Stuck with the team, BebbleRock ever hot up in the scheme. Temperature never drop, nothing no freeze. This can cut, better not cut him to piece. Remember when nothing to eat and I couldn't go sleep, so hungry me weak. Now me asleep on plane and I sing on stage up in Hungary. Mommy proud of me bad. Everything turn up loud, I'm a glad. Me never born a Uganda, but Kabaka wear the crown and me tried. Man a king from Kingston, filling out lyrical prescription. Look for them, said them a lyricist, but I chat garbage, cause them now no restriction. Some can run a decent distance, beer fast food, them a deal consistent. Run them hotter than V12 pistons, in an instant, me no response. We a take them to school, I champion you, not take them for fool. Can't step in my shoes, I'll kill me no matter what weapon you choose. What them expect if we do, when them not letting we through? Me prefer for lose and sell my soul, you get what is due. Selassie guide and protect every move. Know what I mean? Rastafari world domination. Shall proceed from this conversation. Cover face in a great tribulation. Genocide of the whole population. Go and read it up in a revelation. We stand firm on the king foundation. Ethiopia the greatest nation, but them a televised base operation. Gavi teacher centralization. Ancestral communication. Network every organization. From it work them quick duplication. Permacultural integration. For the soil revitalization. And more spiritual cultivation. Cover the end of the age of information. Self-sufficiency burn occupation. Them check no matter weapon. Contribute to the human race and civilization with a vibration. Beer pollution pan radio station. Degradation of education. Politician them bring separation. Tell them this are them interrogation. Can't stop eye illumination. All when they spray toxic fumigation. Injection, immunization. We get protection from the libation. With new ways of meditation and brainwave activation. From slavery to emancipation. No presidential inauguration. Accurate.
So me is a man where enough different type of music. Well, not really enough, but me usually rap, me usually
I was
DJ,
just about
me
to
usually
ask you
sing.
that question.
Yeah, so it's like me influenced by hip hop and reggae. You know what I mean? So them two music that we try to replicate it over the years, and me go in pan hip hop. Me have like over 300 hip hop.
Wow.
And my sound like from them side I'm come from.
Wow.
You're rocking with the Major Lazer sound.
Who the hell wanna battle?
I got more rhymes than you. You mad youth. When me try through, me squeeze mics like a bug juice. I know this. Stepping to me is hopeless. You bogus. My 2020 focus. Giving beats hypnosis. Hey yo, stop chat. You can't picture this like a Snapchat. Me fit it on the track like the cap and have the snapback. The beat could a hip hop or dancehall. Me can't stall. From me find the pitch, must a curve or a fastball. And if it's cricket, then you wicked get clipped. Hit you for 6, man. My lyrics is as sick as it gets. Tell your mama come quick with the Vic. Stick to the script before you get yourself burned like the tip of the split. Boy, go on back of the nursery before me burst the verse on a tertiary university verses. If you prefer to be the one for simmer temperature, rise up and burst the mercury. Certainly it's a courtesy that occurred to me. I flow tighter than the turban or the herb that's in the package. When I'm burning it to tap into the firmament is permanent. Lyrically I murder man is guilty when the verdict ends. Your style I never heard it yet like February 30th. That means that it's original, not typical. Me left you in the hospital admission and your condition is critical. Me sicker than the cycle, them are cyclical. Sicker than the sickle cell, my sibling off. I'm sicker than a liver that be sipping on the liquor from 6 straight to 60. Your chick say she miss me, my mixtapes is crispy. Yo, I mean make you stop rap, the people never feel that. When you spit the feedback, they drier than my heel back. I go on like a spiritual with one bag of deep shot. But when me drop rebel music, me have the streets lock. You realize your whole style is from rap, posing as a reggae artist. Hiding the fact, all the tune on your tracks. What you thought, you's a singer? It's only cause of the revival they give a damn about you. I'm about to kill you on this beat that's called Gimme the Loot.
You're rocking with the Major Lazer sound.
Me know you vex cause when me DJ my better than any flipping rap up on the planet when me stand up on the lyrical phenomenon. Bringing the tetragrammaton and tetrahedron from in the reason of the motherland. I be the illest in Jamaica to spit. I took a break from it to practice meditation and live. Looking down from my spaceship just waiting to rip beats. Now this mixtape you wanna diss me. Go on and fly down if you think you're bad. Me bun you like a 50 back. Up in at the mark up on your toe when me sit the tag. Matter of fact, rap died a long time ago. You never listen us. Go resurrect it for you. This the baddest lyricist will manifest the living God to physicists and show them what a body separated from a spirit is. You must be delirious, thinking you could dare to compare to this. My sphere of awareness, you don't appear in it. You're just an experiment gone bad. Better watch yourself, don't get caught when the bombs blast. My songs last long like the pyramids in Egypt. Peep it, I had the name pyramid first and then you teeth it. You never did I use it, so me make it even better. Plus Bebble management, I tell me reggae people prefer, so me flip it with lyrics and step it up the ladder. Then another little melody. Now everybody said that me and the baddest lyricist them ever seen, never heard. This the BebbleRock, you better flee like a bird. Like a rapper boy, don't bother fly past your nest unless something heavy I got right across your chest. I've been diagnosed with flow sickness, listen to quickness. The transition mixtapes much iller than this shit. Tell
WalshyFire and Diplo, they should get with the first coast movement. Yard rap, we live this. My bin 16 soup on this and Sega Genesis from HMV, Black Talon and non-nemesis. Listen what the premise is. Rapper verse DJ, but we the same person, so pull it up and replay.
When he's sticking you and taking all your money.
Okay. Easy. WalshyFire, easy. Security. This is WalshyFire. Okay.
You're rocking with the Major Lazer sound.
Skills worthy of a general. And if you want to fight, fight with me.
Accurate. I heard about it. Kabaka Pyramid. Yeah. Raekwon from day one. WalshyFire, baby. Them can't stand up in the fire, you know? That's right, y'all.
You're rocking with the Major Lazer sound.
Fire. Yeah. Fat again, baby. Yeah. I'm missing no.
WalshyFire, party up.
Exquisite line, nigga, you know it. Who gets it in daily? Cycles with tempers, metal hammers. We Israeli superb product. We got a lot, we keep it scaly. This is not for the fame, you move it scary. Blowing on that grade A grain. My uniform is flawless, so is my aim when my lines connect. See, I'm designed for that underground sound. Keep the crowds in check, the cash checks. Enjoy the fruits of my labor. Invest brains, digital stocks to make it work for me. Got killers on the payroll, they put in work for me. Hug your chicks, they quick, they move berserk for me. I'm in Kuwait blowing trees, you'll come and work for me. Hit the scene fresh, cause I'm all in. Snatch the dice, blow them and throw them, and watch the legends break the bank. For the large amount of them C notes from the top to the bottom. Watch the East Coast be flooded in Links Beach. Kingston to New York streets. Lyrics them a drop on them New York beats. Take them to school, make my crew want teach. WalshyFire tell you to be inspired. Accurate. Anything me do, me have to do it accurately. Peep on the beat, me just glide like a jet ski. Kick like a jet lee. No matter if me jet lag. Rhyme slalom through like me skiing through the next flag. Wu-Tang, BebbleRock like Luton. No for talk tough, but them soft like a futon. Walshy, tell them well done, that's the new slang. Raekwon, cop a few clocks from the shoe stand. Here comes trouble like Chronixx from the roots, man. Them said that these damn Rasta youths is a nuisance. My tip on my head, but in my pocket is a few grand. Me just cop some exotic fruits from La Sushan. True to myself as a naysayer slayer, and I'm fresh off my vacation in the Himalayas. Hotter than a sauna when me drop another bomb. From Kingston, Jamaica, man, a headline performer. Bang, yeah. Comments plushed out, I'm cut from a rich cloth. So expensive, y'all gotta pop this. So flick it up and seize the moment. Worldwide, the whole globe love my globe. We need a tone. Step off the plane like nobody can touch this. The words in my clutches, the herbs in the Dutches, splits and the steamers, pics in the cleaners, magazine features, purple taste sneakers, yachts and sail with sea breeze on the coast. Ital cuisine, stew peas on the stove. Up in the Alps while your bees are report nearly freeze off my toes when I ski down the slope. Bring the heat to the cold from Jamaica, we're selling this. Bridging the gap so my nation will benefit. Fire we burn it up in blaze. Let me tell you from the start to the finish, revelation to Genesis. The fire will be burning red, yeah. From Kingston to New York streets. Lyrics them a drop on them New York beats. Take them to school, make my crew want teach. WalshyFire tell you to be inspired.
Yo, y'all, what's good, man? You know what it is. The chef right here, man. For real, man. Be inspired. You already know what we do. For real, big dog, E-Dolo. Hold the fort down, my nigga Phil. Hammer that what's good. You already know, gangsters. Hold it down, do what it do. It's all real, man. Shaolin style. Be inspired, trust me. You know what we do. Shield 95 team. 100, for real.
WalshyFire done telling them. Raekwon already telling them. Kabaka, yeah. Gimme Steve from me there. Out. Yeah, clear on my throat, look a bit, yeah. One for all. Watch me. Check them style, yeah. Boom. Introducing the grandmaster. Pyramid on my chest, put the uncross.
that and as me step in at the place, party gun fall flat. Freestyle on the rhythm, make a song pan spot. Me call up my troops and them have to answer. Me a smile off my face like a happy camper. Then me sit down on the rhythm like a child pan lap. Like rotting a trap, me have the style pan lap. All for one for all, that a my contract. We telepathical, no need for eye contact. A unity and strength where we need to survive. And reggae music, we put it right on top. One for all,
Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian. One for all. Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian.
On top, we put it right on top. Protoje, Pyramid, a 2 lion, 1 track. Hey, tell the hyena, them me pride come back. Married to the game, bright sign contract. Revival, yeah, at the boss, them time. If he gas gone, but them coulda passed them prime. Man, refer to me, them must have lost them mind. Or a happy joke, make we laugh, print spine. In time, you will see a who real. Flingy rock stone, you will see a who squeal. Cast iron, man, a real steel. Itals too, go this one with meal deal. How you feel? Back away the pre. If I have to one, then a solidarity. Your brother, you call me, and me dead, ya. If your family love me, what me have to say to ya?
One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian. One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian.
One is we leave with no division. Tom Martin Luther King dreaming the vision. Execute with precision. The mission, no difference regardless of distance. Resisting the system designed to kill our brothers, leave our fathers in prison. Indoctrinated religion, keeping the mind in oblivion. They don't want us to remember we were God's from beginning. But as society keeps spinning, a generation of children see we need a foundation for the building. Grown up to the ceiling, you feel me? Cause together we can get it right. You know I hate it when we fuss and fight. Tell me why can't we all unite? This world could be a better place if we smoke trees and just get high. And let the good vibes flow. Love is all I know, so I don't need no ego. Shout out to all my people, do no evil. See each man is the equal. It's not the skin, but it's the soul driving the vehicle.
One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian. One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian.
All for one, but no musketeers. This a revolution, no need no muskets here. We are come for cut the strings of the puppeteers. And every line when we fling is like a rusty spear. Through the eyes of the beast, now let none despair. Them love despair, them no want the love fish here. So we're fighting for peace in abundance here. When we rise to 16s and no guns appear. BebbleRock, sharp like the nail in the zinc fence. For freedom mental change, it had the intent. All for one like the sample we are sing say. Unify and build strength, show them say we've been dread.
One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian.
Test it.
One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian.
Sound check, turn up the audio, eh? Make sure you record it now. Them want to know how hard me go. When we are past the star me go. Watch them fall and drop like domino. Judgment take them, what a scenario. Ready for anything when Kabaka call me now. All in a one, miss a one in a all in a. Hey, flipping, tripping, make the lion sick him. Pitch him the gym, we no care how rich him. Snitching, switching, could never be forgiven. Listen, pressure must pipe on the rhythm. Me I carry the torch and it a burn within. Me not carry no cross cause I'm still living. Who I pay the cost? Send me to the boss with the invoice billing. No kill him.
One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian. One for all, Red Nubian. It's all for one. Red Nubian.
Yeah man, them know say we say all for one for all. Kabaka Pyramid, Protoje, Hempress Sativa, Koro Fyah, Pressure Bus Pipe. If you never know, now you know.
What kind of song that you make? Something not right that can't accurate. Some artists will get crucified like the man we come from Nazareth. Tell them it's about time. Rasta lock down the place. Be a funny business, I lock down the place. Lyrical shotgun me strap like a condom. This Rastafari, me bomb down the place. It's a what kind of song that you make? Something not right that can't accurate. Some artists will get crucified like the man we come from Nazareth. Tell them it's about time. Rasta lock down the place. Be a funny business, I lock down the place. Lyrical shotgun me strap like a condom. This Rastafari, me bomb down the place. It's about time. Rasta lock down the place. Be a funny business, I lock down the place. Lyrical shotgun me strap like a condom. This Rastafari, me bomb down the place. Accurate. The business them for stop rape. Rasta bun them hotter than a hot plate. Can't even well lucky how them for lock place. Now bring no bleaching thing to my black race. No for them sing anything just for bling out. Oh you for tell a little dancer for skin out. The freaking and them no for them want for bring out. This is a drive-by. Kabaka now spin out. Me tell them it's about time. Rasta lock down the place. Be a funny business as lock down the place. Lyrical shotgun me strap like a condom. This Rastafari me bomb down the place. It's about time. them step away now. With them rocket gun, tell the get a youth no walk with man. Skin the bang. I hope you no listening. We no want see no more gun shine and glistening. Pon the farm of the soil where we digging in from the beginning. Well, do not bring no guns round here, guns round here. Farm we are farming at the sun round here. Bungo peas by the drum round here. Food in a ground round here. Well, do not bring no guns round here, guns round here. Intelligent we not dumb round here. No pesticide to me plum round here. So hungry no come round here. Accurate. Can't tell me some murder fi hire. Pepper tree put the dirt in a tire. Yam we a root up, pot pan fire. Planting a shoot up, no shot, no fire. Pass the knife, car cooking on the plan. My knife coulda never joking on no man. No rubber, nor tape, nor cooking on me gang. Seed we a put in the land. Well, do not bring no guns round here, guns round here. Farm we a farming on the sun round here. Bungo peas by the drum round here. Food in a ground round here. Well, do not bring no guns round here, guns round here. Intelligent we not dumb round here. No pesticide to me plum round here. So hungry no come round here. Hey, Walshy, me no know why them woulda ever this. Me coulda kill them, but for sing pan rhythm I prefer this. Accurate. I hear the calling. WalshyFire run the road from morning. Me say me ready for the road. Walshy run the place, I know me ready for the road. Him and Major Lazer when we touch a stage show. Fire does a blaze, and them never did know. King Kabaka run the place. Accurate. Kabaka Pyramid representing. In a fine style. We wicked and wild. Me tell them man a phenomenon, man a real phenomenon. One stick a match a bun down a sound man a phenomenon, man a real phenomenon. WalshyFire a him a step in a the gang. Phenomenon, man a real phenomenon. Major Lazer them a govern the pattern, man a phenomenon, man a real phenomenon. Any sound this them a get abandoned. Hey, sound killing our occupation. We have a license and our registration. Safe college I get me. WalshyFire them fi know now. Boom. Kabaka Pyramid, that is my name. The game it'll never be the same. Major Lazer come for bring the change. So free to get a youth from these chains. Walshy used to burn the weed a lot. Now I'm start for read a lot. Out loud about how some sound want to keep us locked up in the prison. Mentally them can't defeat us. In the streets Walshy feet touch. Cause them sound never teach us nothing but we African features. Now them want to turn we in a clappies and divas. Officers, preachers, doctors and lawyers, alliance. Major Lazer alliance I keep up. From I was a fetus, from Jesus to Negus. Used to rock a Reebok, now my locks a creep up. Babylon my bust up all your nick up. Me grab the microphone and tell the pretty black come on them not fi bleach up. No youths me teach about the knowledge when me read about. Enough of them did vex at the college when me leave out. Burn the Greek out, WalshyFire them a seek out. I have a dream and it's not bound a beach house. Kabaka Pyramid, that is my name. The game it will never be the same. WalshyFire come for bring the change. So free to get a youth from these chains. Accurate.
You liberals who have lifted them up, Howard.
Paul, you conservatives make a mistake. You can't afford to strangle hope in people. Without hope, people become dangerous.
No, Howard. You liberals have let them invade our society. You give them jobs, political jobs.
Paul, you missed the point. It's only the smart ones we move up.
That makes it even worse.
No, we have to move them up. If we leave a smart one in the ghetto, he might develop into a leader against us. But if we raise him up into white society, we neutralize him. He feels compelled to try to act like us. He loses his identity and his racial anger, if he has any. He becomes alien to his brothers. They realize he sold them out and they grow to hate him. He becomes worthless to them and safe for us. No, thank you. In fact, in his love for the creature comforts, except for his color, he's become one of us.
Accurate.
First of all, make we take it back to basics. Way before the slave ships, Africa's the basis of humanity's matrix. In my DNA is the history of the races. Images of places we visited and stayed in. Evolution changes from minerals to babies. Looking at the fetus, you can witness all the stages. The wisdom of the ages was given unto sages. Pictures were engraved in the villages of the natives. Leaders were selected, people were protected. Reason was neglected and belief it was expected to keep us all connected. Deeply indebted to the God that we respected. Then thought quickly crept in. Brains were developed and the spirit started dwelling. The mind and we communicate with languages and spelling. Traveling and spreading, planning and rebelling. Races developing but man was still descending. Building large cities was the pattern that was trending. Religion was the engine, division over blending. Only the few could get the knowledge that was pending. Until Christ entered into Yeshua at the ending to deliver the and always love that I'm ascending to be my brother's keeper. The hill is so much steeper. I got to keep ascending from the physical to ether. Risen from a creature to living as a teacher. Delivered from the isms and the schisms of the preacher. Psychic abilities instilled within my features. Tap into the memories of nature when I feel tough. Voluntarily the strong will help the weaker, and the fact that there's no need for money make it sweeter. Racial oneness prophesied by the Negus. Selassie say differences in color is beneath us. Martin Luther said oneness is what him dream of, it's the ethos. Soon it will be printed in the cleaners. These are the prophecies of the pyramid on the accurate mixtape. I hope you could keep up. Been around for too long, too long, too long. We just been around for too long, too long. Hey, we just been around for too long, too long, too long. We just been around for too long, too long. More for me out. Life is no easy with suffering. Every man I look fees I fi go for him. Mama cry on her knees and she uttering, please give me a little more pay. Pick me for feed but I just famine. Better me grow trees for the hustling. 360 degrees and the struggling. Me check a stock and know me pot not even bubbling. We there I ain't jumping around for too long, too long. Been around for too long, too long. Oh yeah, we've been up in a road for too long, too long, too long. We're stuck up in a road for too long, yeah.
You're rocking with a Major Lazer sound.
I see what them are. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chalice in our palm, Babylon you're gone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Them ya rasta youth ya not uncome. It's gonna be a weeping and a moaning, yeah. If them put a finger on we herb, it's gonna be a weeping and a moaning, yeah. Babylon a go get where them deserve. Aye, in a oneness, the youth them sit up and all a reverence. Babylon them want to sneak up in a residence. Feels that the youth them weak up and in a decadence. True one chalice of 3 cup fi pick your preference. The talk with them uttering no make no sense. Fight them a fight but we cut up with such excellence. Said that it's illegal, show me where's the evidence. This a the fumigation for your pestilence. It's gonna be a weeping and a moaning again. If them put a finger on the herb, it's gonna be a weeping and a moaning again. Babylon a go get where them deserve. Ain't no touch with ganja. Fire will burn up you and your people. We them can't conquer. Just like a camel through the eye of an eagle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Aye, aye, aye. Chalice in our palm, Babylon you're gone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Them ya rasta youth ya not uncome. Yes, boom. Say man a king look on the crown on top of my head. With the knowledge of Selassie and the youths and properly fed. Ah, yeah, yeah. Wait, no. Stepping out of Babylon again. Stepping out of Babylon, one by one. Stepping out of Babylon again. Okay. The fire burn them and their friend. Well, boom. Say man a king look on the crown on top of my head. With the knowledge of Selassie and the youths and properly fed. Many thirsty copper and lead. Boys and girls get chop up and bled. Racial discrimination in police station. Time people cup and let. Do the thing they on we side. All of this we can survive. Uncovering them nasty lies. Not a thing them can go hide from them ya youth. We organize and centralize and them salute King Selassie and the ghost. Okay. Stepping out of Babylon again. Boom. Stepping out of Babylon, one by one. Stepping out of Babylon again. The fire burn them and their friend. Well, stepping out of Babylon again. Stepping out of Babylon, one by one. Stepping out of Babylon again. The fire burn them and their friend. Well. Babylon shall fade away. Light the smoke, I'm a pop on the dust when me brush off me shoe. Righteousness we a cut and go through. Babylon all string bust like balloons, so we don't deflate them. All get a youth we a motivate them. Things with them need so them out to make them. Natural food we a cultivate them. Action to choose not a ultimatum. Lyrics we sing and emancipate them. Knowledge and self-substantiate them. Out of the mess we evacuate them. Human rights we a activate them. Go on debate we a repatriate and make us storm this gate. Now stepping out of Babylon again. Stepping out of Babylon, one by one. Stepping out of Babylon again. The fire burn them and their friend. Well, stepping out of Babylon again.
Yeah, hang tight, Major Lazer. You don't know for the children, for the children. You see me, I say east, west, north, and south side garrison. Hang tight, WalshyFire. Drip it up. Chronixx, don't worry yourself.
Well, Major Lazer, make them know.
It's black. Come on. Skidly bang. We do it like skidly bang. You hear me now? Major Lazer play music for the children. Get up, stand up, and let your voice be heard. Chant your word, gather till and say brand new recruit. Tell them say tomorrow belongs to the youth. We call it the willing. Rise up from the slum. Your works must be done. Spread your wings and fly. Kabaka Pyramid, tell them to aim high.
Major Lazer lead the way, so wipe away all your sorrow. The things them do today will pave the way for tomorrow. There's gonna be a time when I left out the city with no doubt. I watch the government to get power. So Major Lazer burn out them illusion. Them soul is in conscious evolution. There's no separation, only fusion. Well, Major Lazer them a bigger role.
Major Lazer play music for the children. Get up, stand up, and let your voice be heard. Chant your word, gathering till and say brand new recruit. Tell them say tomorrow belongs to the youth. We call it the willing. Rise up from the slum. Your works must be done. Spread your wings and fly. Black Amora, tell them fit your mind.
Me have some things for my mind when I want share. Tell the little children for draw near. Now, chimney, I hope them a listen me. Hey, me have some things when I want to ask. Me want know who feel the aftermath. When the bombs them start for blast and the money them a pocket off. Hey, who profit from the wars in the Middle East? Or who sell the guns where the kids are squeezed? People are ball when no see no peace. Blood a flow like the river streams. People now want to hear the truth again. When it in front your face and the movie them. It's like a chess game and a one man moving them. Me wanna know when we're gonna wake up and see. It's all a part of their plan. Them system no cater for we. Me wanna know when we're gonna wake up and and see. But them judgments are gonna fall like rain. Beg no feel listen what the DJ saying. Hey, when we're gonna wake up and see, it's all a part of their plan. Them system no case off when we put this into your brain. Man, I go love you like them guy there. I have a different style there. Cause you're a queen and it shows, yeah. Okay. Man, I go love you like them dudes in the movies. Snooze and go lose it. I keep it close. Man, I go love you like them fool where you hype up. You are your heights up. And just you alone. Man, I go love you like them boy where you texted. Blowing up your phone cause you left them a claim. Said them want to be your best friend. And you know, man, I go beat you like Empress. Man, and that's how me treat you. You're a queen and it shows. In the streets and off it pose. I look a man figure peel off. Tell them boy the fees off. You're a queen and it shows. In the streets and off it pose. A Rasta man you a feature. I just love it you a seek for. Boom. Shem Lord. This ya one you feed the Empress them. In a the lawn. Kabaka Pyramid, I tell them this. Singing for my ladies now, yeah. Wait, no, yeah. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain. No, skibbly bang. I'm just a soul on a journey. Need to find someone to help me know where my work is. Relationships full of ups and downs. But if you're patient, baby girl, me know say it's worth it. Shed out your ears my kerchief. And if you don't see me crying, nobody feel see me hurtless. Obstacles we be hurdle it. And if you lock your door, I got the tools, I'm a wordsmith. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm some limit in this urge. No, yeah. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone. Listen me now. Me know say me not perfect. And me I go say some things will make you perplex. Them say me egotistic. No, them have me ego twisted. True, them only breathe the surface. When me look on the books, them when you purchase. Me sister knowledge of self kinda urgent. Your heart clean, you don't need no detergent. Garden of Eden, you never get misled by the serpent. And then the negativity, you reverse them. Woman, I'm in need of you urgently. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm sublimating this urge. No. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone until I see you walk in my zone. Listen up. And until that day that you come my way, I'll be patiently holding firm, yeah. So many gone astray. With me they wanna play. Put up a sign but say don't disturb me. You are the one for me to keep my company, to stand beside when the table's turning. This ain't no fantasy, it's you I plan to see over land and sea. No. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm sublimate in this urge. No. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone until I see you walk in my zone. Yeah. I don't wanna wait in vain now. Cause when I see you, girl, you make me smile. All the while, yeah. Mixtape style, you know. Immaculate. For the hard-working people. In the roughest environment, yet we all are rely on them.
Gotta keep working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning. That's why we're working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning.
When last nobody sing a song for the garbage, man, I put him man in the garbage pan. Make I tell you know the truth. Me respect your occupation, cause the majority of the population couldn't do it. So me have to big up the janitor, we humble and a weapon we feel leave. Fi come up in ya. And the truck driver, them I have to reach, and them not drop asleep in a traffic, yeah.
That's why we're working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning. That's why we're working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning.
Well now, special request to the security guard. Where you're standing at the sun more time, them a starve and them can't take no lunch break. Some a work double shift for a month straight. Lord, me have to pick up all the teacher them on stage and ER now go feature them. But in my heart me a reach again. Each of them a the gatekeeper them.
Gotta keep working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning. That's why we're working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning.
You gotta keep working. All when the sun a beating and the summer heat, summer sweet while summer sweet. Working all in the winter snow, in the bitter cold on the ocean, the ship a stroll. Working fi make a better way. Farming fi put the food on dinner plate. Keep working hard, yeah. Working.
Gotta keep working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning. That's why we're working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning.
Yes, fire
gotta keep working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning.
Watch me
That's
now.
why we're working hard. Somebody's gotta do the dirty job. Leave it up to me, you get the first reward. Sweeping the streets till the early morning. Hey, I gotta keep on working hard.
Kabaka Pyramid and Dre Island.
Hey, Kabaka.
Whoa, yeah.
Got to do the dirty job.
You have to do it. You have to do it, yeah. No.
Well.
Skibbly bang, yeah.
Kabaka Pyramid. J Island.
Hey, me, Dre.
Gotta keep working hard.
For the hard-working people, yeah.
Accurate.
You're rocking with the Major Lazer sound.
Easy. WalshyFire, easy.
Accurate. Well, in coming a thing called Kabaka Pyramid alongside WalshyFire and Major Lazer. Official remix, make them know.
Just let it go. If you wanna grow, we could make everything better. Oh, just let it go. If you wanna grow, we could make everything better.
Me love your looks and your intellect, so let's get intimate. Let me kiss your neck and disconnect the lights and the internet. I must be dreaming. Let me pinch myself. So many things I want to say. I couldn't talk for days, but I want to play with the time that we got when we're on this way. Forward in my arms and stay. Hey, tired of the rest, come and rest with me. Let me show you the West Indies. Tell the bad vibes to rest in peace. Me and you are the recipe.
It's safe to say that I'm your girl now. Get a little bit closer, say it to me. Why would you try to fight it? Something so natural. The wave comes, you got to ride it.
Well, right about now, I have to big up everybody who play a part in the Accurate Mixtape. First and foremost, I have to big up my BebbleRock family. You don't know the whole management team. Man like Koro Fyah, big up yourself every time, youth. You don't know WalshyFire and the whole Major Lazer family for making the mixtape even a possibility. Big up to all the producers them who send beats, who contribute songs to the mixtape. Big up all the engineers them who spend time and mix down the song them for get it accurate and proper. Give thanks to Q Lion for doing the accurate artwork for the project. You don't know all the artists them who give us strength. Raekwon, Pressure Bus Pipe, Chronixx, Protoje, Dre Island, Hempress Sativa, Irish Soldier, Gentleman. You don't know everybody who play them part, just big up yourself. Everybody who been waiting on the mixtape for this time and holding the patience, just give thanks. You don't know all the ones them who are waiting on the album for forward. You don't know it's in the making. We give thanks. Big up to all of the Rastafari community worldwide. All the Kemetic family, the whole conscious community. Big up everybody who has support from Africa, from in the Caribbean, from the USA, Europe, UK, East Asia, Central Asia. You don't know the whole Australia family, Indonesia, everybody, South America, the whole world. Just keep it locked to BebbleRock and we'll give thanks and praise. Keep it accurate.